Kia ora ana. Therese here from Pacific Vision Aotearoa. I'm here at Kelmarna Gardens in the heart of Auckland City. This is a 4.5 acre city farm that's been established since 1981, so one of the oldest community gardens in Tamaki Makaurau. Today, we're going to check out their soil factory.
Hey there, I'm Judy. We have two systems here at Kelmarna running side by side. So have a look. So here we have two bays, which are mostly our garden waste or resource collection from our site. And then you can see here the NZ box system. We've chosen these, they're rat proof. So the community has been invited in to drop off their food waste or have it collected. They record in here how much food waste they're bringing in. And we asked them also to add some brown material because their content is very heavy nitrogen right here. How we make a good compost is we combine both nitrogen and carbon materials. So when we're at home, we've got all of our food scraps. They're in at the nitrogen category. They contain lots of moisture. Then we need to combine our brown materials, which hold no moisture. They're dead. So cardboard, things like cardboard or dry leaves or sawdust, these are all in the brown category. So once we combine those two together, we make soil. So with our garden waste system and our food waste system running side by side, we need to keep a check on the temperature. So we do that. And we also keep a visual check. So in about 4 weeks is what it will be that we combine the two. So this product is a combination of the two systems. It's been sitting here for maybe 6 weeks and it has been inoculated with beneficial microbes because we want more fungal networks in our end product. So the plan is that we can never make enough compost. The compost feeds back to the garden that we have in operation, but also we're in an expansion phase, so we're moving to another site. All of this product will be taken up in that site. If we ever have too much compost, we'll be selling it out to our community.